Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can hide specific app notifications in the notification center on your iPad. So start by opening the settings app, and in settings scroll and select notifications. From here we'll go to your notification style settings, and you should see all your apps that have notifications enabled. So currently I have YouTube in my notification center. So if I want to hide them from there, I would select YouTube. Then from here, you should see notification center with a check underneath. This means that I've allowed notifications there. So if I tap on it like that to disable this feature, then it should disappear from your notification center. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.